Hello everyone, what is good? It's Katie, reporting for duty. It is Wednesday, May 20th. It's my birthday. I was going to wait to film this until tomorrow because like today's my birthday and I was gonna like have my birthday, but I'm just really in the mood to film, and today's the first day that I'm genuinely feeling just like really inspired. And I knew I was gonna get back to YouTube after the semester was over, but the past few days I haven't really acted on that because I just wasn't feeling it. But today we're back. I've been gone. I haven't posted in over a month. I wanted to finish out the semester. I was feeling sort of like burnout, just like overwhelmed with like the online school and like everything, that I just wanted to take a break, but we will get into all of that. I have so much to talk about today. We're just gonna do a chit chat, get ready with me, but I have a whole notes list of everything that I need to talk. So I'm gonna talk about this stuff while I kind of get ready. It's like still kind of the morning. It's 11. Family's still like asleep or like doing things for work because it is like a Wednesday. So I just kind of have free time and I don't just want to like lay in bed all day. So I figured I'd film. I actually filmed one of these right before I decided to take a break from YouTube and I never posted it. And this mirror was in the frame the entire time. So we're not gonna do that. Let's do makeup. I just can't multitask with makeup and filming,
but we're gonna try.
So I took a YouTube break for a couple reasons. I've just been feeling like burnt out like this whole year pretty much. I just haven't been as like inspired, and like YouTube was sort of like a chore, and it was like, oh, I have to get a video up, and then I'd beat myself up if I didn't get a video up, when it's really just like a fun like hobby thing to do. And so I've been debating like taking a break for a while. I never thought I'd actually like do it. I decided to do it for the rest of the semester because there really wasn't any content I could or wanted to film with me just sitting at home in quarantine doing online school. I also decided that I wanted to like pull away from like talking about my life too much, even though that's literally what I'm doing today. But this is just like an update, and I don't think I'm really gonna vlog anymore unless it's like a week in my life or a day in my life at college, because like people love the college content. But I don't think I'm gonna vlog other than that. I'm trying to figure out what type of videos I want to film, but I have some videos that I'm gonna come back with that are like classic Katie, and then we'll like see where things go. The semester is kind of stressful. Like this online school thing is just not a thing. Another thing is I've realized how much YouTube is like hard. And even though it's a hobby for me, and the reason I was struggling with deciding if I wanted to take a break or not was because I genuinely love to do it. Like obviously it's nice to like grow, and like I don't see much growth, but I just like to do it. That's why I've done it for all these years. I just like to make YouTube videos and like edit and upload, and I think I'm pretty good at it. So that's why it took me so long to figure out if I wanted to take a break. And I debated like not coming back at all, but I just like it too much not to. It makes you care too much about how you're being seen by other people, if that makes sense. And even if you don't think outright, like when I edit and film a video, I'm not like, oh, are other people gonna see me like this? It's more of a, not like subconscious, but sort of subconscious sort of thing. I just didn't want to deal with that, because even though like I'm myself on my YouTube, I cater what I film to how I want to be seen, if that makes sense. So obviously if I do a week in my life, it's like 20 minutes long. For like 5 or 6 days, it's 20 minutes. So you choose like what to put in, what to say, like you choose your words carefully. It's all like about how you want to be perceived. And I just felt like I was focusing too much on that, and I wanted to just focus on like
loving myself,
stuff like that, you know what I mean? And honestly, this quarantine's been like pretty good for me in that respect. My camera's on red battery, shocker. I haven't worn foundation in forever. I've done my makeup like 3 times this quarantine, and it's been with my Colourpop tinted moisturizer. I don't even know, like there's just so much I want to say. I wanted to remove things from my life that I thought were making me care too much about what people thought of me. I got off TikTok, which was a very hard decision, and I was originally only planning on getting off of it for like a little while just to see like how I feel, because TikTok is like funny and it's good entertainment, and I genuinely did enjoy it for a while. But it was getting to the point where like everything that I saw, not everything I saw, even though there was funny stuff, was it worth being exposed to the things that like triggered me, if that makes sense? It was fun when like a lot of people were on it. Like I got it in like December, and that was when it was popular and a lot of people were on it. But since the quarantine, everyone and their mother's on it. Everyone has TikTok, and it was just so overcrowded with content that I did not want to see, and stuff that like triggered me or made me feel like a way I didn't want to. So I decided like I just need a break from it, because it is a toxic app. Like it just is, even if it's funny. So I took a little break, And then I was like, I'm gonna keep going with this. Like, I don't miss it. That's the thing. Like, when you think about giving up something like Instagram, TikTok, you're like,
Oh my god, like I still want this. What if I miss it?
but then once you get it out of your life, like, you don't miss it. You don't like think about it. Like, since I deleted it, there was no time where I was like, I really just want to scroll through TikTok for 3 hours. Like, there just wasn't. So yeah, and then I just end up just not going on it. And then I deleted the app, and then I got a new phone. And I didn't install it on this phone. So yeah, I don't miss it. It's out of my life. I think if you guys are having like thoughts about it, just delete it. But if you enjoy it, then like obviously it's a good app, but it's just a lot. It's just too much for me right now. And I've been happier since I've done all these things, but now I'm ready to get back to YouTube. I'm so excited because that's what I have to do this summer. And I've been working a lot on my Redbubble, which I will leave in the description always. I make mostly like Marist merch, but I've been making a lot of different like patterns and taking some of the photos I've taken in the past and like making them into designs. I cannot speak. Check out my Redbubble. It's always like the first link in the description box. Now let's talk about like school a little bit in the semester. I ended last week. The online schooling thing, I hated. It was so hard to be motivated at all. It was just not a good time, but that's over. I also finished out my internship. I was lucky that I was able to do it remotely because a lot of the work in the first place can be done just from the computer remotely. I really enjoyed my internship, even though it was cut short, which was a bummer, but can't do anything about that. I finished my classes. We'll see how my grades are. I'm kind of nervous. I registered for fall classes. I just want the fall semester to happen.
Please, please, I can't do this anymore. Like, come on, fall. Come on.
I'm sorry. I'm taking History of Costume, which is like a required fashion course. Sustainability in fashion, which I've been wanting to take and I'm actually really excited about. I want to learn a lot about sustainability. I've been really interested in that recently. I miss thrifting so much, you guys. I cannot wait to thrift. All of the clothes online right now just don't appeal to me. Like, I got a Forever 21 gift card for a couple months ago. I haven't used it yet, which is so weird. I usually use it pretty quickly after I get gift cards, but I haven't used it because nothing is on there that like I love. And I haven't done any online shopping since the quarantine because there's nothing like super cute out right now, and I just want to thrift. I want to thrift. Can't do that right now, but hopefully soon. And then the other fashion class I'm taking is mobile consumer, which will be cool. It's like an online class, so it's like interactive, like on your phone. Yeah, I think it'll be fun. And then I have a French class, which is French film and literature. I'm not looking forward to say the least. Oh, I'm taking psychology of entertainment media, which might be really cool. It might be bad, but I think it might be cool. Those are my classes for this semester. I'll probably talk about that more in depth. I plan to make a everything to know about Marist part 2 video because a lot of people like that video and they like comment new information they want, and so I think I'm just gonna make another one, but that means I have to go watch the other one and see what I didn't say. I don't want to do. Maybe I can just do an updated one and just say everything, but then like add things. I don't know. We'll see, but I plan to do another one of those, so stay tuned. It also kind of sucks. I was kind of beating myself up a little bit. This quarantine, I saw a pretty big like gain in my subscribers without posting. And so if I had posted, like I could have really gained subscribers. And so I was sort of beating myself up about that. But I was like, Katie, like you do this for you. Just go with it. So like I said, today is my birthday and I've gotten a lot of really nice birthday wishes today, which it just makes me so happy. So thank you to everyone who said happy birthday. I did get a new phone for my birthday, you guys. I got the 11. I am so happy. I had the 7, and this came in the mail like 2 days ago. Like the 7 was so old. She was ancient. I don't have a case yet. I ordered one because this wasn't supposed to come in until May 22nd to like June like 5th or something, and it came May 18th. So I ordered my case on the day that I ordered this, but I just got a really weird text, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, so like I don't know how people do it. My sister got a new phone for Christmas. She still doesn't have a case. It stresses me out. I can't put my phone down anywhere because I don't want like it to get scratched on like surfaces and stuff. I just don't know how people live without a case. And I'm trying to think any birthday festivities. I don't think there are any birthday festivities happening. My birthday is usually pretty boring for me, but since it's quarantine, I think my family's gonna like stop by, like drive by, which guys, honestly, I'm kind of happy my birthday's in quarantine because I hate like birthday parties for me, like with my family. I hate like having all the attention on me, people singing to me, opening gifts in front of people. It's so awkward. I hate it. So this might sound bad, but I'm glad I'm not having a party. Probably going on a walk today. I've been loving these like walks. The weather's beautiful. It's been really beautiful the past like 2 days, but it's crazy because it was literally like snowing a week ago, but I'm glad that it's pretty now. Yeah, my brother came home from college yesterday. Kind of a birthday thing. You guys don't care about that. I want to talk about shows, and I was gonna talk about music, but I think I'm gonna do a playlist pretty soon because y'all, music has been my savior this quarantine. And you know when you go through phases, like I always love music, but I go through phases where like it's just like everything. I constantly want to be listening to music. It makes me so happy, sort of thing. And that's been this quarantine. And oh my gosh, guys, the new 1975 album comes out on Friday, but that's honestly the only birthday present I need is the 1975 album. Okay, I'm debating filming a reaction. If I do, that'll be up on Saturday and this will be up like Wednesday, because I did their last album and it's really popular and a lot of people like that video. I might do it again. I'm just so excited. Like, oh, you guys, I'm so excited. So I'm not gonna talk about music, but shows, you guys. I need a new show, so comment any show suggestions. I've tried out a bunch of shows in the past like week and none of them are amazing. I'm watching Billions right now, but I'm on the start of season 3 and I decided to like stop and take a break. It's just not what I'm feeling right now. I tried The Good Place. I hated it. I had so much hope because everyone loves it, and I finished the first episode. I didn't like it, so I was like, I'm gonna give this more of a chance. So I watched the second episode and just no, I don't like it. Exiled that show. I tried Champions, Friends from College. They're both like fine, but there's nothing like special about them. Shows I did love though this quarantine, well, this past like couple weeks of quarantine, Next in Fashion is a great show. I posted about that on my Instagram. It's so good and it made me love fashion again because, you know, like during quarantine, like I'm not wearing anything cute. It's easy to like forget how much I like fashion, and then that show revived that, you know? Should I put on blush? I never put on blush because this is so red here, but like what if I put it like I might put on blush. Next in Fashion is really good. Hollywood. You guys, Hollywood's so good. I also posted on my Instagram. I watched that like last week. It's really good. It's not usually a show I normally like. It's like 1940s. It's very like old time. This was a mistake. No blush. But it's really good. And the main actor, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's worth it for the main actor. And the fashion in that show is so good. I recommend. The main actor is also in The Politician, which, okay, let me know if you guys like The Politician because me and Tina tried it like twice. We gave like 2 shots and it was just horrible, but everyone loves it. And like this next season's coming out really soon. So are we missing something? I keep telling her we need to like try it again to like really give it a shot. Maybe we just weren't in the mood at the time. I don't know. Actually, I only have one more thing that I was going to talk about, which is just let me know what videos you guys want to see. I think I'm going to do more episodes, revive the series. Yeah, but just let me know. Check out my Redbubble. Thank you for watching. This was my little chatty video. Just wanted to update you guys about my life. Thanks for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you later. Peace!